Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. Welcome all your new subscribers. As usual, this is an off-the-cuff video. I'm going right. So, you catch me in my Mini, obviously, and I'm meeting up with Jamie from Officially Gassed. And we are meeting on a runway. So I got a call from him not so long ago asking if I would be up for another video. Of course, I'd be up for another video, I said. What are we doing? We're going to be doing some drag racing. Fine. Be nice to stretch this car's legs on a closed road or runway. I hope you guys can hear me, by the way. And yeah, you ain't going to be able to hear me, are you? Go to 155. Anyway, Jamie calls me up, says, "You want to do another video?" I said, "I'll be there." My car wasn't working at the time, actually. I had a few running issues, but it seems to be running fine now. I've done some work to it. So we're going to be drag racing other cars that have been featured already by Officially Gassed, which is pretty good. And I've been put up against the Locust Turbo, which has over 600 brake per ton. This car and the Locust are fairly similar. Both 1.8, both turbo, both kind of lightweight. I mean, his is 100 kilos lighter. His is rear wheel drive, mine is front wheel drive. He's got wider tyres. I'm saying all the excuses now. At the end of the day, it's all about traction. It's all about what's going to happen on the line. I've been told the runway is only 700 meters, and I think the only usable bit is about just over a quarter of a mile. And both of our cars do the quarter mile very similarly. His is a little bit quicker. So this should be quite interesting. But anyway, I know as much as you know. I was just told to go to an airstrip, be there for 9:30 in the morning, which is in about an hour. I don't know how much fuel I've got left. My fuel gauge has decided to not work. I should be running out in about 15 miles. And we've got about 30 miles to go, so I hope there's a petrol station. I'm nursing a bit of a cold. It's not the coronavirus. But yeah, I'm looking forward to today. Hope the car behaves itself. Hope it stays on the tarmac. Apparently at the end of the runway, you've got to brake pretty hard because there's literally just a fence. There's the fence.
But it's good braking room.
Yeah, you brake just before the cones. That was 120. Anyway, let's venue. Cheers, guys. Oh, new traffic. Right, guys. Made it to the runway. Racing up. There's the owner. But, yeah, wish us luck.
We're back with a new series and it's going to be crazy. We're in partnership with Racelogic and we are racing cars from the channel against each other, guys. We're calling this the OG battles. It's going to be sick. So stay tuned and let's get it.
Right, guys, we're up against the Locust Turbo. Looks to me like he's blowing a lot of smoke. He doesn't seem bothered. Alright. Ready! Alright guys, welcome back to Officially Gassed.
Ready?
Ready.